Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and thank you for listening to this tutorial on Act CRM SaaS add-ons. So if you decide you want to use the Act SaaS software, there are two tools that I recommend that you consider getting pretty quickly after using this software, the web-based only version of Act. The first piece of software is called Act for Mail. And Act for Mail is similar if you've had experience in the past with a tool for the desktop version of Act called Act for Outlook. Act for Mail is the web-based version of this software. What it does is it allows you to record incoming and outgoing emails. You can create contacts from emails. If an activity is set or scheduled in Microsoft Outlook, you can send that over to Act quite easily. And when you send it over, it just keeps your calendar in sync so your information is in both places. And also, if you have an incoming email and you want to create an activity from that email, you can do that as well. This is a $35.95 annual subscription. It really is worth its weight in gold. It does a lot of great things, and I'm just scratching the surface. The next piece of software that I recommend to all my clients is Handheld Contact. Handheld Contact has two versions. This version is called Handheld Contact API. I tend to refer to it as the green Handheld Contact. It has three options. They have a free option, which limits the number of times you can download your data. It's a great starter option. They also have a $49.95 plan, which is great for most people that would need this software. The $79.95 option is really for power users. It has some of the functionality that doesn't come in the earlier one. But if you're not sure, all of this comes with a free trial. So you can try it, see what you think of it, and compare it to what you've been doing now. Two pieces of software that I think will be beneficial for you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.